This will be a... Is the unidentified light?
I got it.
Alright.
Wind to 070 at 3.
We'll just stay a little bit higher because there's those two trees in the front that we can't see right now. Alright, on flat slope. Turn up power idle. Line up at the center.
Oh.
Alright, hold it off. Hold it there, it'll come down by itself. Right there. Alright. That's an elevator back pressure. And Charlie's up here. And we'll follow this yellow line right here.
Tower 100, turn right Charlie, remain this frequency, say taxi request.
Right turn on Charlie, remain in frequency, and we're going to SoCal. 7-star 100.
7-star 100, taxi SoCal via Alpha, have a good night.
SoCal via Alpha, 7-star 100. Have a good night.